1 दिसंबर 2006 पहला आइटम, पांडियन विद पराग 109 सेकेंड्स। क्या क्या लेना देना है पराग का सीएम ऑफिस के? फेक इनकाउंटर हो रहा है, सीएम ऑफिस का क्या लेना देना है? फिर आइटम एंट्री 5 पराग पांडियन 158 सेकेंड्स मिल गया आपको, डेटेड 5 दिसंबर। यू गॉट दैट? गॉट इट? दैट्स एंट्री 5। फिर नीचे आ जाओ, देन पांडियन एंड पराग 36 सेकेंड्स ऑन 10 दिसंबर। मिल गया आपको एंट्री? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, आइटम 14 मिल गया। Then 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, item 19, that is 12th December, the date and the railway station. मैंने आपको बोला ना रेलवे स्टेशन में हादसा हुआ। 12th December पांडियन टू पराग 11:54, 12th December पराग टू पांडियन 16:52, पराग टू पांडियन 25 seconds 21:48, again 12th December, then पराग टू पांडियन 13:12, 15:56, पराग टू पांडियन 14 December, पराग टू पांडियन 175 seconds on 14 December. For what? Why is the CM office involved in this? Who is Parag Shah? Why is he there monitoring this? फिर आ जाओ आप लास्ट बट फ्री एंट्री 30th December की पेज से third last entry, Pandian and Parag 40 seconds on 28th December the encounter takes place. 30th December again a call from Pandian to Parag. ठीक है? फिर आ जाओ, it is clear from the above that on the vital date after the production of Tulsiram Prajapati in Sabarmati jail, when they were at the railway station to separate the mother and wife of Azam from Muhammad Azam and Prajapati, conversations were taking place simultaneously between Parag Shah and Pandian. फिर इसलिए that statement of Vanzara when he wrote that letter, and I've quoted here, we being field officers have simply implemented the conscious policy of this government which was inspiring, guiding and monitoring our actions from very close quarters. So Vanzara's statement is now fully corroborated by the call details. फिर January to May again there is contact between Parag and Pandian. By that time the encounter has taken place. That table I have given you. So it is clear now, and this is a direct allegation, it is clear now that the CM's office, that is Narendra Modi's office, was fully in the know of what was happening in the encounter to eliminate Tulsiram Prajapati, which happened on 26th of December. Narendra Modi is a potential accused. The circumstantial evidence is clear. Why has Parag Shah not been arrested? Why has Narendra Modi not been interrogated? The nation needs to know. The CBI needs to answer. Courts in India should ensure that the guilty be brought to book. Narendra Modi, when he talks about criminals, must first ensure that whoever was involved in the elimination of innocent people in false encounters should first be investigated through a court-ordered investigation by investigators who have nothing to do with Gujarat. इस बात को 8 साल हो गए हैं, आज तक ट्रायल नहीं शुरू हुआ, दस्तावेज नहीं दिए गए, इन्हीं लोगों को बेल भी मिल चुकी है और बात बड़ी बड़ी भाषण देते हैं हरदोई में. This is a very serious matter. नहीं, देखिए ऐसा है, आज बात एक ऐसे मुद्दे पे हो रही है जिसका सीधा निशाना, एक मिनट, सीधा निशाना, सीधा निशाना नरेंद्र मोदी चीफ मिनिस्टर के ऑफिस पे जाता है। और मैंने अब आपको दस्तावेज दिए हैं, कोई ऐसी ओरल बात हम नहीं करते। जिम्मेदारी बनती है, कोई भी सरकार हो, कोर्ट की भी जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि अब इसमें जो लोगों को इंटेरोगेट करें, जिन लोगों को अरेस्ट करना है तुरंत करें। I am not the. This is nothing. That is Snoopgate. What are you talking about? Please, why are you asking irrelevant questions? That is something to do with Snoopgate. This is a criminal offense. Why are you asking these questions?
The fact is, but the fact is, if Modi is guilty or Amit Shah is guilty.
I don't say anybody is guilty. Amit Shah is an accused.
He may not be guilty, but why is it your government appointing the commission of inquiry?
Well, again, we are talking about. This is nothing to do with Snoopgate. Please. पहले तो सीबीआई को कार्रवाई क्यों नहीं की? 8 साल हो गए। पराग शाह की इंटेरोगेशन क्यों नहीं हुई? अरे को हमारी को पॉकेट में थोड़ी ना सीबीआई इज एन इंडिपेंडेंट एजेंसी। क्यों नहीं बताओ मुझे।
इसका मतलब आप ये कह रहे हैं कि सीबीआई बीजेपी की तरफ?
मैं नहीं कह रहा, मैं कह रहा हूं सीबीआई, मैं पूछ रहा हूं सवाल। ये डॉक्यूमेंट्स है, ये आपको मैंने अब टेलीफोन रिकॉर्ड, इससे ज्यादा तो मैं नहीं दे सकता। कोई खुलेआम तो नहीं कहता कि मैंने मर्डर किया, मैंने एनकाउंटर किया। वो तो खुलेआम तो आपको एविडेंस नहीं मिलेगी, सर्कमस्टेंशियल एविडेंस ही मिलेगी। इससे ज्यादा सर्कमस्टेंशियल एविडेंस कहीं मिल नहीं सकती। अरे भैया कोई बताएगा, तभी तो कोई बताएगा कि मैंने। अरे वो पराग शाह क्यों कांटेक्ट कर रहा था पांडियन से? पराग शाह वहां ओएसडी था सीएम ऑफिस में फॉर एंटी टेररिस्ट काय के लिए। मुझे नहीं पता, मैं कोई इन्वेस्टिगेटर थोड़ी ना हूं। मेरे पास ये मैं कौन होता हूं भैया? मुझे तो आज पता चला है। ये तो रिकॉर्ड सीबीआई के पास होने चाहिए ना। ये मेरे पास तो इसकी जानकारी तो मुझे आज मिली है। मैं कोई सवाल नहीं उठा रहा, मैं पूछ रहा हूं कि भाई वहां ये शाह क्या कर रहा था?
One at a time.
Does it mean that CBI is irresponsible body?
No, I don't say anything. I said I want to know why this has not been carried forward. I am not saying anything. I am just producing the documents before you.
CBI was direct under the office of Prime Minister.
No. That's not correct.
Sir, जो आपने कॉल रिकॉर्ड्स दिए हैं, ये कितने ऑथेंटिक है? What is the source?
This is all CBI charge sheet.
How did you?
This is the CBI charge sheet, and only this table of call records is from a site called Gujarat, something of Gujarat.com. मैं आपको दे दूंगा site.
That is what your basic information on this, sir, is it reliable?
Oh, it's completely reliable because these are these are reliable information.
CBI surely have all these records. The case has been in court for a while. Even Amit Shah has got a bail in them. Why do you think that has happened?
I don't know. Please ask those who have taken those decisions. I cannot comment on that.
Obviously, the court has taken that decision.
No, so fine. So court may have taken because there is no trial is not proceeding. People are in jail for 7 years. If you don't proceed with the trial, what will the court do?
Mr. Sibal, you asked why CBI has not interrogated Parag and
Arrested. He should have been arrested.
and Mr. Modi. Right?
He should interrogate
Right.
Modi and arrest Parag Shah.
How many times Union Home Ministry or the Center of Prime Minister's Office has asked CBI why you are not
That's it.
interrogating?
I'm sorry to say, Prime Minister's office and Home Minister's office do not do investigation. This is not the job of the Home Minister or the Prime Minister. Investigation is the job of the CBI. It is not. Under the present system, it is not. It is only accountable to the court. This is the problem. This is a serious issue.
You will do the court should take cognizance of this.
Of course, court must. If these are facts, courts must.